Today somebody told me that the kind of Ayurvedic herbs I am using. He was very much interested to know the place where from which place, particular place I have brought all these Ayurvedic herbs. So one of his relatives, distant relative, was suffering from high sugar and high diabetes. So I told him that this particular plant of Sadabahar and of particular plant of Sadabahar and Kadu, it is called in our local language as Kadu, with Kalmeg and this we can call as Chiraita. This is of great importance and has a great ability to lower down the sugar levels and maintain a great metabolism. I have made number of videos about this great park. This is the herbal park located on the periphery of India, Himachal and Haryana border, and you can see the greenery, and they have meticulously maintained this park. You can't see that all the plants are in clusters, or the shrub, herb, or the tree, the towering trees you can see, and it gives such a pleasure. What I have initiated a process where I make sure that I travel to this park often, and make sure that I have I got the access of certain rarest of the rarest herbs, which are very helpful in curing the human ailments, particularly for the kidney, for the liver, for the sugar, for the mental delirium, or for many kind of respiratory disorders. So you can see all these particular vegetation which is flourishing in this part of the world. It is such a mesmerizing experience, and my sincere appreciation to the government of Haryana, who have taken this great initiative in just letting the people know that in their hometown they have such a vast variety of flora and fauna, and these Ayurvedic herbs, they have been planted here in abundance, and it is giving me the infinite bliss that how many times I have came here, and it is spread in more than 100 acres, more than 100 acres, uh, and now more than 100 acres, and you can see the greenery, the foliage you can see, and the concealment of certain plants. And this you can see that whenever you come, the local people, either the men or the women, they are rigorously engaged in the planting of the trees and taking care of the trees. And this is the, you can see the crane, little crane in the picture there. And if you are good at, for those of my gurus and mahagurus who live in the southern part of India or other part of India where they can't be able to read Hindi, you can see it has such a vast variety of these plants, Ayurvedic plants. Means I personally feel that southern India, especially Kerala, is the epicenter, or we can say the major fulcrum who have sustained and maintained the Ayurveda in its pristine form. It has never been, no state has more prominent than Kerala. But over the years, with the extension and the expansion of Ayurveda to the other parts of India, especially the Gujarat is the major epicenter now, and in Gujarat there is so much of we can say the research work has gone, and you can see, and means these plants here are at a very cheap price, and it hardly cost you 20 to 25 rupees, maybe 30 rupees. Some plants are as cheap as 30 rupees. And means see the foliage, see the dense vegetation. Just few minutes back we were hearing the cuckoo sound of so many birds. Even the peacocks were expanding their wings and were faltering. So this is the small gesture from my point of view, that wherever you go, try to make the video. See these plants, maybe I'm associated with this, associated with the Vedas, and see the extension of these plants and their flurry means it is just mesmerizing. The twigs, the boughs, like the small child or the infants, they have been expanding this. So this is major boast to me, and my dear student Mr. Dipanshu, he is always with me, and credit also goes to him because he never says no to me, and immediately we make a plan. Maybe we are born some amphibians, like amphibians we travel to land, water, and to the any part. And this you can see the towering trees. So, and I will thank each and this whole cosmos and the Vedic hymns which I chant and which I have given me a gratifying experience that we are able to get such a mesmerizing, and see the picture quality and see the scenic view, the sylvan surroundings. And it is so, when you crisscross these areas, the meandering ways, then you are fully mesmerized, entrenched and embedded in its pristine glory. So thank you very much. And these are the 3 plants. This is Sadabahar, I will tell you, and this is Sadabahar, and another is Kalmeg or Chiraita. I don't know whether Kalmeg and Chiraita is one and same thing, and other is in the local language. They have given me this plant to give it to one of my known friends, Kadu, and they said that when you eat Kadu raw, it is the biggest booster to contain your sugar levels. So thank you very much to each and everyone, and to these hard-working lady. You can see in the close vicinity, they are meticulously, rigorously engaged in their work, pruning the soil, and just and see these trees also. Thank you very much. I hope you like.